Hi Aries, welcome back to Omkara Tarot, and it's time for your weekend love bite. Aries, this is for the weekend of the 30th of October. Just a general mini check-in to see how you guys are and what your energy is like. So, and these are general collective readings, okay? Will not resonate with each and every one of you. So take what works for you, leave the rest. Let's begin here. Dear God, goddesses, angels, spirit guides, please bless this reading for Aries and send them the messages they need to hear the most for the weekend of the 30th of October. Thank you. So Aries, let's begin with a blessing from our angels as always to top the reading. My angels, what do you have for my Aries gang for the weekend of the 30th? What blessing or an advice card from you for my Aries? One card of blessing. Yes, thank you. Aries, this is who you are, aren't you? Confidence. Yes, you have the sword of truth in your hand. Aries, you're no longer accepting bullshit. You're cutting off things which no longer serve you, and you're standing in your power, just as an empress would. And that's what you are, aren't you? So we leave this card here and see why this card is here for you, Aries. Let's see your reading. Of course, it's going to be a very, very small little reading just to check your energies. And welcome back, all my subscribers. Thank you for all your love. I'm very blessed to have all of you here on my channel. And if you're new here, we welcome you to our Omkara family. To join us, subscribe to the channel, we welcome you. So let's see, Aries, what your energy is like this weekend. Of course, your longer readings are on the way, so look forward to those. So let's see. The Star, yes. Ace of Wands and the King of Cups. Nine of Pentacles, Death, and the Empress. Aries, somebody seems to be wishing and praying for you. Somebody, there's a little bit of stagnation in, I think, the love department here. Somebody seems to be praying hard for you, wishing for you, feeling very, very attracted to you, but still hiding their emotions, not knowing how to come towards you. Maybe they've been a bit of a pain in the, in the past. They've been manipulating you, not revealing their emotions to you, and because of that, they created a lot of delays in this relationship. But I think, Aries, you put a total halt to the situation. You brought a death to the situation, and here you are now showing up as the Empress. Okay, you've regained your control, you've regained your power. This is just the background story to what these three cards are. Okay, so let's just clarify these cards a little bit, and then we open the rest of your cards. And Aries, if any of you want a private reading, my November calendar is now open. You can find my email in the description box below. Yep, somebody is wanting now wanting all this, right? They want the Ten of Pentacles, they want a happily ever after, they're praying, wishing, fantasizing to be given another chance. They are totally overburdened by the way things have, I think, closed out between the two of you, not knowing how to bring this offer to you anymore, yet feeling like strong passion towards you. Yeah, sitting in boredom and regret and sadness that when they had the chance, probably they didn't take it, and now all they can do is dream and wish and hope and be worried about how they can have this Ace of Wands again with you, how to restart a chapter which is, I think, been ended by you, Aries. This person is in deep sadness right now, a lot of depression, not accepting any offers, any other offers, not knowing how to send you a love offer now, wondering, sitting, stalking you, trying to get gossip about you, maybe from other people, trying to find out news from other people, wanting somehow to manifest a brand new beginning. Right? Now they are totally clear in case they were earlier stalking you and trying to find out information. Now they are crystal clear about who they want, and it's you. And now they want a rebirth, but things are totally halted, Aries, at the moment, I'll be honest. I don't think you are in that place anymore. You've graduated big time. Look at you, Empress. So, what's this Ace of Wands, Spirit? Ace of Wands. See, I told you, they're obsessed with you. They're obsessed, not just, they're even sexually obsessed with you. They want to come towards you and have the same kind of passion maybe that you guys once maybe shared, but is no longer available to them anymore because you've turned your back. So there's a strong obsessive need to be with you, but they don't know how. They're feeling very overburdened, not understanding how I can get this passion back in my life, how I can have this rebirth. Okay? So why did all this happen is because this person was in the King of Cups energy, that too in reverse, emotionally manipulative person trying to control the situation. Yes, they didn't want, they maybe were very busy with their work or something and they didn't offer you commitment and did not put in work towards the, commitment that or the, they did not build on the foundation of this relationship. They never offered Aries what Aries should have got, being the Empress, and should have got that respect and should have been worked upon the relationship. But this person that at that point probably was in the King of Cups energy, not offering anything, mind manipulating, emotionally manipulating, not offering commitment, showing you that maybe they're busy, busy, busy with their own work and I don't have time for commitment, and that's what's created all this delay. So, Nine of Pentacles, Spirit. Nine of Pentacles. Yes, now there's a big delay here, Aries, and this person is now at crossroads. They're wanting to heal the situation now, but not knowing how to bring back a reconciliation now, right? So all they can do is stand here and plan and plot and dream and think of like how am I going to get this Four of Wands back into my life, because the delay has been so long that I think a total stoppage has come to this relationship now. This is over already. Somebody's trying to like beat a dead horse and get it to start running again. Because Aries, I think you've turned your back on this. Death, what's this death card, Spirit? Death card. Death card for Aries. I have the King of Cups in reverse again. It's because of their own selfish and, yes, because of their own selfish behavior, their own, manipulative behavior, they're not showing their emotions to you when the time was right, right? They've brought upon an ending to the situation and now they feel that they've lost Aries for good. This is a card of somebody losing, not having victory. Why? Because Aries is now become the Empress and has turned their back. So Empress, my angel guides, what's this Empress? Empress card, please. Yes, Aries, this person did not bring you justice. This could be a Libra that you were dealing with. This person, when you realized, that this person was not bringing you justice, you felt at that point in poverty, like poverty, emotional poverty. Maybe you were going through a rough patch in your life and this person gave you no support and no help. You kind of felt abandoned, lost, alone and neglected. And since you got none of that in the past, I think you turned your back and here you are now, regained your power and control of your life and sitting here as the Empress. Yes, here you are. You're very clear. Things have become crystal clear to you. You know the only one path that you have ahead of you is ahead. Okay, so you have clarity and you are now in a good position to demand or command whatever you want. Well, this is what you've decided to do, Aries. This is your card again. So as the Empress, you're clear on your path ahead and you are deciding a fresh leap of faith is what I'm going to go for. I'm no longer looking back, and anyone who's been toxic in my life, who's been a King of Cups in reverse in my life, I would rather have like a fresh leap of faith and have a new beginning for myself. I know now that I am not the person to be messed around with and left out like a second, third, fourth in the list. I am the Empress. You finally found your self-worth. You finally realized how important you are, and you have confidence in yourself. Yes, you're totally confident of your own self-worth now. And that's the reason, with that clarity, Aries, you're going forward to a fresh new beginning for yourself. You seem to be in a good space, mentally and emotionally. Not this person though. Let's see what's happening this weekend. Yes, Aries, I don't think this weekend you are interested also in any kind of reconciliation with this person. You have so much new to look forward to. Maybe you have new work, you have new projects, and this is where I see you concentrating on yourself. You're no longer looking behind to see, you know, will this person come back? Will I reconcile with this person? Let's take clarifiers anyway. Three of Cups, Spirit. Three of Cups. Three of Cups. Yes, I think you've understood that each time you've reconciled with this person, Aries, all you've got is conflict, fighting, anger, and upset. So you've realized that each time you've tried to reconcile with them, none of your wishes really came true, and maybe you've been trying over and over again. So you are quite sure of this new beginning, your new start, your new projects, your new work, a new life basically for yourself. Ace of Pentacles. One more. One more, Spirit. Wow. All new cards, Aries. Ace of Pentacles with the Knight of Pentacles. Brand new stable beginning for you coming. Maybe a new offer of love as well. Page of Wands, creative, new projects coming for you. New love offers coming for you. All these are new for you, Aries. And I see you also being very emotionally happy. Ten of Cups. So whatever new offers are coming to you, Aries, are going to give you a lot of emotional satisfaction. You're not looking behind anymore. What you're looking for is newness in your life, and it's coming. So many offers are coming, and they're all going to be brand new for you, Aries. Look at all these new offers coming your way. And also in your work life, I see you heavily at work, working on yourself, working on your pentacle, working on your... Hello? What's this Eight of Pentacles, Spirit? What is Aries working on so diligently? New beginnings. One more. Yes. You feel, this person, whatever this person has done to you, has each time you've tried to make it work with this person, it's totally backfired on you. It's put you into the self-imposed prison, right? So you've decided now to make a choice. This is a conscious choice. This has not happened just like that. You are making this conscious choice to have something new in your life. Maybe new love, new work, new everything. So Aries, this weekend I see you very excited, making new plans, right? Here you are sitting with the Empress, and yes, you are going to be able to manifest anything that you want. And don't look back now, at least as of now, their energy is still, they're only sitting and wishing and wanting and things to be made right. I don't see anyone from the past making an effort to come towards you this weekend, but you have so many offers, Aries, and you're looking great. I don't think you're even going to spend any time bothering about that. You have too much happening new in your life right now. So that's all. Yeah, you're dropping the fight. You're dropping this fight altogether, and moving on. That's all I have for you, Aries. This is a nice, fresh reading, and let's see in the month of November what all is going to happen. Till then, love and light. Take care. See you.